At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, the police are probing an incident in which a member of the Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, shot and injured his girlfriend. It is alleged that the 40-year-old JDF member shot his 25-year-old girlfriend during a dispute on Crescent Road in Kingston at approximately 6 p.m. on Monday. Reports are that the dispute escalated when the woman threw stones at the JDF member. Thereafter, he pulled his licensed firearm and shot the woman in her leg. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear them something here? When I hear them something here, this a brother here now. The woman a fling stone after him. And then him taking gun and shoot the woman. You know, say if him never have no gun, or if he wasn't a soldier, what would he do? Because a whole heap of time man and woman a fight out a road. And woman always a take up stone. What would you do? What would the men normally do? Is either them fling stone back, or them walk away, or them go try to fight the woman, or hold on the woman, or try to do something. Yeah? But, if you know, say this a man, a soldier. Remember, I'm woman, Remember, say this girl, a girlfriend, my people. And for him, draw gun, pan him girlfriend. This ain't girlfriend, And for a soldier draw gun pan him girlfriend, what them wouldn't do to the rest of the citizens? Them, what them wouldn't do? You tell me. And guess what now? The man, according to Nationwide, this JDF police is still on duty. This JDF soldier is still on duty. You don't see these things? Whether him do it intentionally or unintentionally, he need to be suspended. Him need to be suspended until everything is resolved. Until then do the investigation and everything. I don't understand how this man still remain on duty. Huh? What kind of prosperity is this? What kind of prosperity is this that me want to know? Me not like them a prosperity, I know. But me realize that the labor right there love this type of prosperity. But Jano, if I your girlfriend brother and you shoot her in her leg, what you wanna do to the citizens of Jamaica? And on top of that, Horace Strong and Kevin Blake make you still on duty? How that work? You see when me I try to show on Jamaica, we depend our own. We the people depend our own. Take a look at that, my people. Nationwide News understands the soldier alleged to have shot his girlfriend in Kingston on Monday is still on the job. The Area 4 police confirmed to our news center that no charges have been laid as the injured woman has not yet been interviewed. Mighty God. Whether the woman interviewed or the woman not interviewed yet, this a boy I need to get suspended. You cannot do things like that. You cannot do things like that because you a soldier or you a police. You get away with too much rotted old things. You get away with too much things. You understand me? Whether you interview the girl, yes or no, maybe right now the girl traumatized. Maybe right now she afraid. She afraid for her life. So when me hear una talk about no charges being laid and man still up on the job, of foolishness una deal with, brother. Foolishness. And that this Jamaican really want. You see, if you ever make a mistake and make Andrew Wallace win, una go learn the hard way. Una go learn the hard way. Boy, my people, I tell you, no man, this is really, really strange. I can't believe so we allow Jamaica Labour Party to come take over Jamaica and trample upon the people. I can't believe we give Andrew Wallace that chance. I can't believe all now. We should never ever give this man a chance. We should never give the Jamaican Labour Party a chance. Seriously, we should never give them a chance. Look what is happening now. Police are kill, soldier are kill, and everybody get away with it. No, man. Where is our human rights activists? Where uno there? These are the times when Jamaican people need uno the most. A whole heap of people me see a cry out. Me hear a cry out for help. Enough time the police and soldier them go and them harass the people them. All know me not see no human rights activists out and attack. Me not see uno. Where uno there? Where uno there?
So you see the sign? I printed about 6 of them last week, Tuesday night, and installed them. This one is still there, but interestingly, the one in Rose Heights, and where we call 41, has gone missing. Nobody knows where it is, but I am just making an appeal to whomever it is that is out there that I would like my sign back. I would really like to get my sign back because it's very important for me and my campaign. My office is located at 50 Market Street. It can be delivered there, no questions will be asked. So anybody out there who can help me with the return of one of these signs, I would be most grateful. So looking forward to your help. And this is Janice Allen, your candidate for the People's National Party for St. James Central. I look forward to being the next Member of Parliament.
My wisdom warriors, when you see the Labour right, them a go around and a take down the board them, PNP board, you have to know so they're afraid like a kitten. Not even post. They're afraid like a kitten. When you see your baby kitten afraid sometime, I saw them afraid. When you see the Labour right, them a go around and a cause problem. Cause a problem them a cause, you know. And a take down. First, then do it to Danishka. Now them come and do it to Janice Allen. Seriously. Afraid the Labour right, them afraid. Them a coward. Labour right, me tell you all the time, una a big set of coward, una full of mouth, but una a coward. Una a coward, afraid like a kitten, because una know say PNP a lead. Una know say the Jamaican people say time come, PNP is the way. A it a bun no. A it a bun no, no dirty kin Labour right. Bring back the woman board. Bring back the woman board. Una too worthless and una have no behavior. Eh? Remember, wait there, Andrew Wallace never come out and tell you say a una lead. Now that Andrew Wallace come out and say nationwide put out whole heap of things and they on radio talk and spread pure propaganda and say una lead. So if una lead, why una trouble PNP board? Why una trouble PNP board? That me want to know. Why una trouble it? Because una is a loser. Una Labour right. Una a loser. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
Have you ever seen where we've had a town hall and consultation and a political party brings in supporters with placards to mash up the meeting? This is what it has gone to.
Lawyers will tell you that this is the evidence.
The rest of us. This is ridiculous. The rest of us
My wisdom warriors, when you see a set of people come with placard and a talk about show Labour right in our meeting, you have to know say a plan all this. Remember say no, PNP and JLP go there. Remember say a meeting them have enough to try and resolve this. And when you see these JLP come out and a whole up placard, if you look at every single one of them, you know say one person sit down and write it. They're all the same. So you know say it is a planting. You know say it is a planting. They don't have nothing about them. The little dirty kin, low Labour right them way out there so. From you look upon them, you see, say, they not have nothing about them. They not even know what go on. Them not even know what them a say. They ain't so fool. My God, no, sir. Somebody can come in a meeting and I say, shower labor right. I really joke this. Box cover, hey, labor right, uno pass dunce, no? Uno pass dunce, seriously. Boy, uno embarrassing. Me shame a uno, seriously. Me shame a uno. Uno see how the PNP them back up Terrelang and I say shame on you because they know what them a do. Them know what them a do. In plan up with the JLP, with the labor right them, if bring placard in a meeting and I talk about show labor right in a uno want some rat in one lick, uno labor right, uno not no sense, uno not so sensible. Mighty God, what do uno? Uno crazy? Uno don't eat, uno not listen, uno not understand nothing where happen. Uno labor right, what they start talk about show labor right. Uno not have nothing about uno not understand uno self. Seriously. So me like how the PNP run out. What uno think? Uno think say uno can trample upon PNP? I just build PNP a bill, you know. And I say peace. Cause guess what? Once a leader say peace, you know, yeah, I go say peace. But once a leader say badness, you know, a pure badness you go do. Just like Andrew Holness, and him say government badness. That's why the whole you know, I harass the PNP and I be mischievous and I cause problem. And that you always do. Labor right, you always out here trouble the PNP things them. You always cause peer problem. And PNP and pure no mind, you know. Them bill. You see how they humble. Alright. You ever hear this saying? Every day the bucket go well, one day the bottom go drop out. So uno labor right, continue a text it pan PNP. Uno go out, uno go over Danisha place, and uno trouble Danisha board them, sign them, uno take them down. Everything we wanna see PNP do is a problem. Uno is a troublemaker. And uno see how long PNP a bill and a bear it. Uno frig on yourself. Uno continue a frig on yourself with PNP. Uno continue a frig on yourself. And once we retaliate, always a problem. Just like how in the meeting. Uno see what happened in the meeting? That is a perfect example. Uno see what happened in the meeting? Terrelang are the one, allegedly, I heard that him say uno fe mash up the meeting. That's why uno start mash up the meeting. There's allegations out there and no me say so. Come in one dunce boy. Boar tongue Terrelang come trace me off or send me down lawsuit.
I am very much concerned as to really what the intent of the Jamaica Labour Party representative today. Because certainly we were trying to host a town hall meeting to do something that they never did, to really get the voices and to have a consultation so that we can really hear what are the requirements of the people of Portmore. Unfortunately, their intent was really, just as it was for the parish, a political one.
I'm extremely disappointed that the Portmore City Municipality this afternoon has called a meeting which is a town hall meeting for us to discuss how Portmore will move forward if it should ever become the 15th parish. And to our surprise, members of the Jamaica Labour Party got up in a room packed of people with placard bearing, walking around and surrounding their members of parliament, Mr. Miller and Mr. Terrelang. I saw the crowd started chanting shame on you to both Mr. Miller and to Mr. Terrelang, and to our surprise, we're shocked and in dismay that they would have brought the meeting to this. It is clear that this is a planned demonstration by the Jamaica Labour Party, and they have carried out, same in here, bringing the meeting into severe disrepute, and the chairman had to terminate the meeting early. I must say that this is a sad day for Portmore. The Sunshine City has sunken into darkness. God bless. I'm going home to my family. I'm hoping everybody will go home safely.
The opposition People's National Party continues to press the government to call the general election. The party now has its eye on unseating Prime Minister Andrew Holness from his West Central St. Andrews seat. The candidate Paul Buchanan was officially presented to supporters at a party meeting. O'Shane Masters has this report.
And you know, when the sheriff say, time to go, it's time to go.
KD Knight addressing PNP supporters at a party conference to announce Paul Buchanan as the party's candidate for West Central St. Andrew on Sunday night. They are banking on him to send packing Andrew Holness, leader of the Jamaica Labour Party and Prime Minister of the country. According to the various speakers, Mr. Holness has failed the country on many fronts, and the time has now come for him to pack his bags.
Some ministers had done some wrongs, and him fire them, and I big him up. I says, good work, Andrew. And then I start read and hear some things about him. And I said, but Andrew no had no mirror at home. Because if him had a mirror at home, when him look in it, him would says, I got to fire myself.
The PNP again took the Prime Minister to task over his court challenge to the Integrity Commission over its handling of his affairs.
When you have a man that run this country, that create his own law, and then go to the court to overthrow his own law because it go against him, is a very dangerous person to have in power. The politicians work for the people. How can your boss have a question about how you're conducting your duty and your answer is that your boss is bad mind? And you will let nobody no bad mind you. Nobody no grudge you for not what you have because you can't explain what you have.
It's why the PNP representatives say citizens must send a message with the impending general election.
And don't make nobody tell you say because it's a prime minister they here, him can't move. So comrade, we have one more river to cross. And we are going to cross that river. And we are going to make Paul Buchanan be the next member of parliament for West Central St. Andrew.
The PNP last won the constituency in 1993 when Arnold J. Nicholson secured 11,774 votes to defeat the JLP's Joe.
So my wisdom warriors, one thing we want Andrew Holness for the right now is call election. Because we see nationwide that put out peer thing where them say them do for them internal poll. Nationwide do for them internal poll. Everything they say Andrew will lead. Everything. Then if Andrew Holness leading, call the election. Call the election and we know say that is a lie. Nationwide, uno no credible. Uno lost all credibility. So I don't know how now come out and chat off on the mouth. Hey, uno really turn one piece of activist, you know? Uno look like a fool out here. Uno look like a real idiot. Uno make Andrew Holness have uno like a puppet on a string. Like uno like a puppy. No man. Seriously, I can't believe this here. Me really and truly cannot believe what me I see. Una really a activist station. Mighty God. Why? When Jamaica have people like Una broadcast all these nonsense and propaganda, misinformation and changing the narrative and switch up things, and boy, it is really sad for Jamaican people. The only thing me want say, only the fittest are going to survive in Jamaica. Because them are people here tell lie how they love Jamaican people and they love the country. Which is not true. Nationwide no love no country. Because if uno love the country, uno would have show the truth. But uno not do that. Uno do everything for paint a bad picture upon the PNP. Uno do everything for paint a bad picture upon PNP. And guess what? PNP are going to win the election. PNP are going to win the election nationwide. Me at half of the press I tell you that. PNP are going to win the election. What are going to do when PNP win? So when you come out and I try to trick the Jamaican people them, yeah, it not going to work. It not gonna work. It not gonna work because a Marky G a lead. I wanna know that straight. Marky G a lead. But you una puppet, una master, I telling us if you do all these things, so una have to do it. Allegedly. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think, una tell me how you feel about this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see, that ex, yeah. And for the police, them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah, man. See, that ex, yeah. And for the big salary, what the politician them give themselves, and I can get little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you working long hours and can't get no pay, if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex yeah, this is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see one there right there so? I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.